At Arctic Compressor, we've engineered the solution to take the pressure off SCBA needs by making cylinder filling faster than ever. Firefighters and first responders know that time is one of the most valuable resources in an emergency. So, when preparing for extended operations, you need more air on your back and less time at the compressor to get you there. Now, those issues are solved with the Arctic Pressure Plus 7K. By adding this compact booster pump system to your setup, you can get twice as many cylinders filled in the same time as cascade filling and over 4 times more fills in comparison to bulk filling. And that's not all. The Pressure Plus 7K also helps departments transition to 5,500 PSI cylinders easier and simplifies cylinder filling for any team, new or experienced. So take the pressure off your department today by contacting your authorized dealer to get the Pressure Plus 7K by Arctic Compressor, the simple choice in breathing air solutions.